Namaste and welcome to Madhu's English Academy. This video is specially prepared for class 9 students. Children, through this video you will come to know about your English curriculum and the question paper design. The name of the subject is English, Language and Literature and your code is 184. Shall we see the textbooks which you are going to learn this year? In 9th standard, according to NCERT syllabus, you have 3 textbooks for English. The first one is Beehive. In this book, you will be learning your prose and poetry. The next book is called Moments, where you will be having your supplementary reader text. And the last one is Words and Expressions Part 1. This is your workbook. Let's move to the main portion, the question paper design for your class 9 as well as class 10. Your final exam for class 9 is for 80 marks weightage and the remaining 20 marks will be taken for your internal assessment. This is the split up for your 80 marks question paper. Section A, reading skills, is for 20 marks and you will be getting 2 comprehension questions from it. Section B, writing skills and grammar, is for 30 marks. Under section B, you will be getting 4 questions, 2 for writing skills and 2 for grammar. So your question 3 and question 4 fall under writing skills and question 5 and 6 fall under grammar. So question 3 you will get either an informal letter writing or a descriptive paragraph writing, and question 4 will be story writing. Each question carries 10 marks. This is the grammar portion for class 9 as well as class 10. Tenses, modals, use of passive voice, subject-verb concord, reported speech, clauses, determinants and prepositions. Grammar questions may be asked in either clause passage type or gap filling type or editing type for 4 marks. And you will be also getting dialogue writing or report writing for 6 marks. So both the grammar question together carries 10 marks. So writing section and grammar together it is for 30 marks for you. Your literature textbooks, that is Beehive and Moments, carry the weightage of 30 marks in your question paper. Let us see what type of questions you will get from those 2 books. Question 7, extract based questions. You will be getting 2 extracts from prose or poetry or from the supplementary reader text. So 2 questions you will be getting. So each question carries 2 marks. Totally it's for 4 marks. Following extract based questions, you have short answer type questions. 7 questions will be given in the question paper and you are supposed to answer any 5. Each question carries 2 marks. So for 5 questions, it's 10 marks. And finally, question 9 and 10 will be long answer type questions. Each question carries 8 marks. Questions will be given from the Beehive textbook as well as Moments textbook. So children, this is all about what you are going to learn in your class 9. All the best and do well in your academics. Thank you.